Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device, and once you open it up, before starting a new game, tap on the settings button at the top right corner. You will now be asked to enter your date of birth. Just type in your birth year, and now you will see a few settings. You can simply go back from this page and start your new game. And once your game is fully loaded, you will gain access to your game homepage. Now, whenever you perform any activity, such as create a new character, then the game will automatically save your changes within the game. And this will now save all of your changes within your device storage. And now you have successfully been signed up to the Toca Boca World game, and you can start playing right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.